Yeah, there's no good way. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. You, you got that something that I never wanna lose. Lose, yeah. It's like dancing when the song's already over. Moving without getting any closer. Oh.
Archie, come here. You need this. Everyone's gonna get nice and dirty. Oh, Archie. No, not. No, no.
We just got to the trail. It is very windy. Oh my god, my camera is cracked. I gotta go do something about that, but we just got to the trail. It is very windy today. I need to actually remember to film today. But here are the puppies. We got Kaya back here, Bodhi, Bee, and little Ollie boy. I am about to get geared up and we're just gonna head out. I'm so sad about my camera lens cracking. This is my brand new iPhone 15 that I've literally only had for like less than a month, and one of the lenses is cracked, and that's probably gonna be so expensive. So that's great, but let's finish getting geared up. I'm gonna change my hoodie because this one is really heavy and hot, and then we're gonna switch to a lighter zip up and get going. Park ranger hopefully doesn't come over here, so I gotta get going fast. This is our current setup. Got Bodhi and Bee over here tethered. Kaya's loose. Ollie's tethered. And I'm going to eat right there. Once I'm done eating, I'm going to take some pictures of the dogs in this area, and then we are probably going to continue walking and loop back around the trail to the car. This is a pretty early 30-minute break, but I do like to give them time to like play in the water and swim if they want to. I also might get in the water. I always forget to film my vlogs with Penny, but, well, my walks. I always forget to vlog my walks with Penny. But here we are, walking Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Hello, Penny. Hello, Penny. Come on. It is so hot outside right now. I actually hate it, and I want to go home so bad. I'm so tired, but gotta finish this walk, and then I can go home and take a nap finally. But until then, you'll just see me out here with my girl Penny. Let's go! You can do it! You can do it! Oh yeah! Good girl, you did it, you tried. She touched it and let it go. Been pretty cruisy too, not too uphill. It's very doable. Little stream. There's like a little stream following it. Hello everyone, it is currently Friday. I am out on a hike. I have not been the greatest with filming my day in my life this week, but tomorrow and Sunday are probably going to be even worse because those are going to be two of my first days off that I've had in probably over a year, where I actually can just do nothing. Psych, I have a visit to do. So never mind, tomorrow we'll have content. But it might be a little bit slower than normal because I won't be out hiking and doing other stuff. I do need to get my camera fixed. I got my tire patched finally yesterday after almost an entire week of it having a nail in it. And I also need to make a dentist appointment for my tooth. I have a chipped tooth. And I've had a chipped tooth for embarrassingly almost a year and a half, or maybe even 2 years now that I've had this tooth chipped. And it chipped so bad that it chipped down to the nerve. And I have temporary paste that I've been putting on it to cover the nerve because I was in such extreme pain that I had to take hydrocodone. So I am going to make a dentist appointment to have that looked at and hopefully fixed. It needs to be taken out. I'm really nervous about that, but I do need to get those things done because taking care of myself is important, because I can't take care of other people and their pets if I don't take care of myself. So I'm gonna try to focus on getting that stuff done Sunday, and Saturday. I probably won't be able to get the dentist appointment for a while, but I need to get it scheduled. So that's gonna be my activities when I get home today. But for now, we're just sitting here enjoying the creek and relaxing. This is our current view. Kaya is so good in current setup. Debo is watching me. I don't know if you guys can like spot the ollie. Oh yeah, that zoom is awesome. And then we also have Mr. over here staring at me, watching me. Kira is about to fall asleep. Scoutmaster here is just watching out.
Good job. Sit. Good. Pop. Good.
These would make cute goodie bag stuffers. I am currently whispering because I'm in the hallway, but I'm currently going downstairs on my way to my car because I have an early morning visit with a husky named June. So we're gonna go do that. You can't see, but I got like a tripod selfie stick thing, and it is amazing. And it has this little remote so I can like auto start and stop my videos. It's actually so useful. But I am on my way to my car so that we can get started for the day. This is what it looks like. This is so nice because I can be so much more stable and intentional with my shots than I could before. So the only thing is that this contraption is like huge and obnoxious, and people will definitely know that I'm vlogging. All right, I will see you guys at the visit, and I'll show you more of my cool selfie stick tripod thing. Oh yes, come on. We're gonna get some breakfast. I know, I'm gonna feed you, I promise. That looks pretty good. Let me see this. This is our breakfast bowl. Come on, let's eat somewhere pretty. Wait. 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 Okay. just finished feeding this one right here. She wants more treats. We're gonna do like a mini training session, just to work on some of the same things that we did yesterday. I'm just kind of feeling her out, seeing what she is and is not capable of. So we're just gonna keep working on that stuff, and then I'm gonna head out. Come on, you can do it. Yes. So now I'm gonna throw some of them so you get her to come back. Yes. Sit. Yes. Good job. And then we just default back to sits. Good. First one. Come on. Second. Perfect. Yes.
Of the work that I've been doing with this girl. With this girl. Oh, yeah.
Good. Yes.
Look.